friends, in the last video we saw some details about this folders Java, resource, in the resource, drawable folder, layout, bitmap, values and so on, and little about the build.gradle for the module app. Now, so in this video I am going to show you how to change this default launching icon. That's what we are going to discuss now. It is very easy. Now this is our default launching icon, right? Now to change it, what we have to do is to right click over your module. I repeat, this is your module. Its default name is app. Right click over here and select new. Here you have to select image asset. Select image asset. Now it shows some launcher icons. You can see that here the launcher icon name is iclauncher.png. Okay, so now you have to decide whether you want an image, whether you want a clip art, or whether you want a text. For example, if you say that you want a text, we can type what that text should be. For example, I can say like this: this will be the launching icon. This is the foreground color. For example, you can decide some color. Let it be dark blue. And what should be the background? Background, we will say that some yellowish background. Now there are two options, that is scaling. You can see crop or shrink to fit. And if I select crop, you can see that the different thing, so it is getting cut. So we'll go with the second option. And you can see various options are there. The shape, either circle like this or any other shape you want. We can see extra high dots per inch. Together we can call it as high density, like that. So it shows that an icon with the same name already exists. You can see that already there is some icon with the same name. So if you select this one, then this one will be overwritten by this one. So we don't want like that. We are going to change the name. So to change the name, we are going to say that we will say launcher 01. Some name you can give and click. So suppose you want to go for clip art, you may select that also. I will show clip art. Then here there is an option to load different clip arts. Interesting, so many pictures are there. Suppose you want to put a flight as your launching icon, you can select this one and you can change its color, foreground, for example some blue color, choose it. Even you can change the background, anything you can use it. Okay, please try to explore more. Or if you want, you can go for it. Here this is the part of the available launcher icon. You can select the button here. You can select which image you want. For example, I'm going to my download location. Where is the download location? I'm going to my usage, right? Then downloads. Here I have some JPEG images. Some JPEG image you can select and you can say that pattern you want. It takes few seconds to load. Please wait, it will come, it will be reflected here. Some image. So right now we are going with text, and we have, this is the foreground color, background color. Then click next. Then you can see the resource directory. click finish. You can see this is for that already existing one. This is the one we created newly. Now we'll check whether we'll be getting this expected one for our launching icon instead of this default one. So let us check that. I'm going to run the app again. So the app is successfully launched. Again we are going back. We can see that it is there. So there are few more settings to be done, and there is an option like this. You can uninstall the app and again you can try. Now I'm uninstalling the app, so again you can check whether anything happened there or not. It's the best way to try, especially for the launching icon, whether it has been modified or not. Always uninstall the app explicitly and try to do. Now it is launching again. Takes few seconds. You can see the status here, Gradle build running. Yeah. Now you can see installing the APK. Again we are going to check. Anything happen? No, still the same. So what we have to do is, here in our app module there is something called manifest folder. Just open it. You can see an XML file, .xml file. This is very important file. This contains the necessary information for your app. It says, okay, let us start like this. First one, it is about XML version, followed by this manifest file starts with the tag manifest, and it should be closed with that. And inside the manifest opening tab, we can see what is a package. Okay, play it. And this is a very important thing. Inside that we have an application. And here you can see one activity tag, and here it says what is your initial activity to be launched. We have a welcome activity. Someday we may have 3 activities, 4 activities. So among that multiple number of activities, which activity or which screen should come first? Its name should be mentioned here. Then, and it is determined with the help of this property, that is launching. So you may have a number of activities. Here right now we have only one activity. So which activity should be launched first? In that you have to put this indent filter, and you have to say, you have to mention this property. This is very important. It shows that this is the main launching activity. Now when the application is starting, here you can see this is the application tag. Here it is open and here it is closed. So within that there are so many properties. You can see one among them is Android : icon. This is for your launching icon. So here how that value is taken, how the picture is taken. As you know that there is a folder called a bitmap. So within the double quotes, at from where you are taking bitmap / what is your launcher name. Here it shows that IC launcher is mentioned. So what we have to do is just delete this. Now it is showing as red color, it means it's incomplete error. Press Ctrl spacebar. It will show all the available launcher icons. We have created one, that is launcher 01. Just select it and press enter. Now run your app again, and we are going to check is there any change in the launcher. So let us see. Is there any change in the launching icon? No. So what it is, manually uninstall it and click OK. Back again. And you can see the status Gradle build running. So it may take some, yeah, now it's coming. So you can see it is indexing, now it is installing APK, now the launching the activity. That's it. So now look at here. Can you see your launching icon is changed now? This is how to change the launching icon. So what I will do is, I repeat the step, select the module, this is the module, go to File, New, Image Asset, and here you have to do the necessary thing. So once this entire process is completed, don't forget to change in Android manifest.xml. Here in the Android manifest.xml, ensure that you are changing this part. Otherwise, it will be difficult. You will not be getting the expected. Thank you for watching this video.